The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for northern Richland County in north-central Ohio, southern Huron County in north-central Ohio, northern Ashland County in north-central Ohio, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Plymouth, or 15 miles north of Mansfield, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: Emergency Management confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Savannah around 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Polk around 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Nacogdoches, Sullivan, Roseburg, Nova, Shenandoah, Bailey Lakes, Olivesburg, and Greenwich. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.